Welcome to Mr. Math Monster.
A permutation of a set is an arrangement of its members into a specific order.
Permutations are used to calculate the number of ways we can arrange a set of numbers. A permutation is one particular way to sequence a set of distinct numbers. Some permutations of the set 1, 2, 3, 4 are 2, 3, 4, 1 and 4, 3, 2, 1. It is important to note that order matters in permutations.
Now let's look at an example with repetition first. How many three-letter arrangements can we make from a set of 7 letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and G?
There are 7 letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, and we need to order them with repetition. There are 3 spaces to fill. The first space can be filled in 7 ways. The second space can be filled in 7 ways as well, because every letter can be used as many times as we want. The third space can also be filled in 7 ways. This means that the total number of possibilities is 7 times 7 times 7, which is 7 cubed. The general rule is n to the power of r, where n is the number of possibilities in each space, and r is the number of spaces that needs to be filled. Here's another example without repetition. How many 3-letter arrangements can we make given 7 different letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and G without repeating any letters?
There are 7 letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and 3 spaces to fill without repetition. The first space can be filled in 7 ways. The second space can be filled in 6 ways because 1 letter is already being used in the first space. The third space can then be filled in 5 ways since 2 letters are being used in the first and second spaces. So, the number of ways of arranging 3 letters from 7 letters is 7 times 6 times 5, which is 210. The different arrangements of the letters are called permutations. The number of permutations of 3 items taken from 7 items is written 7p3. Note that 7 times 6 times 5 could also be written as 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial. 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial, which is 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 3 factorial. So, 7p3 equals to 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 3 factorial. The order in which the arrangement is important, since, for example, ABC is a different permutation from ACB. The general rule is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, where n is the total amount of objects that are given, and r is the number of spaces that needs to be filled. Thanks for listening to part 1 of our combination and permutation series.
Tune in next time to learn all about combinations.
Mr. Math Monster, out.